Hello friends, I'm Cindy from Shenandoah Papercraft. Today I want to share something with you all. I am fortunate to be part of a wonderful community of paper crafters, journal makers, scrapbookers, and other creative projects. And when one of our own is sick, hurting, or in need of help, I am in awe of the amount of people who rise up and encircle that person with love, friendship, and help in any way that they can. Right now, one of our own, Tina from Shabby Dabby Doodah, needs our support. She posted a video, which I link below, along with her Etsy shop. And if you are able, please go to her shop and purchase a few kits from her. She did not ask for help in any way. She just shared her story about what's going on in her life right now. She was one of the first people I began following when I started making journals, and her work is prolific on her channel. Today I'm going to share the kits I purchased from her, and because I was in need of neutral background collages, Tina has plenty. She's got like over 380 different kits, so there's got to be something in there just for you. So here's what I got so far. My first one is called Blue Baroque. It's 10 pages, and I got real excited to print this, so I did not size it correctly on the paper, but I'll run another set. But I just want to flip through this really quick for you. It's gorgeous. Soft blue and creams. It's going to go into my Marie Antoinette book. You know, I've got 6 projects in my head I want to do, and this is just the beginnings of them. So all these gorgeous blue and cream background papers, neutrals, are going to go in that journal. They're just, I'm going to say this 10 times, they're just gorgeous. So here's the first kit. And again, that's called Blue Baroque. It's 10 pages long. The next one I got is called Mayfair, and it's 11 pages long. Soft neutrals again, lots of collaging, which is what I really need for my books. Blue grays, tans, creams, yellows, butterflies, music, just gorgeous. So here's this really quick. She has a knack for collaging, and I just love her items. So that is Mayfair, and it's 11 pages. The next one I got is called Paris Bouquet, and it's also 11 pages, and I think of blush as a neutral, just the pale pink blush. And this is all butterflies, Victorian. She's got some photographs mixed in here, and faded buildings, Opera House. This is all Paris, Market Square. There's some background pages you can flip and put on the other side. This one's beautiful. I hope the colors show up well. My lighting's really bad today. Here's another background paper. There's another one in there. Here it is. And this one. And that's called Paris Bouquet. This is only 2 pages. It's Midnight Blues collage papers. So we have this one and this one. I think everybody likes blue, and this just kind of goes with everything, mixed with the neutrals. So that's Midnight Blues. This is called Victorian London, and it's 21 pages. So let me flip through here quickly. Just love it. I haven't decided what I'm going to do inside, but this is just chock full of London and old, oh gosh, watches, carriages, houses, street views. I like this lady with her veil right here. Just gonna flip through quickly. My fingers aren't working. Some of these pages are heavy on the ink, so be aware of that. I had to let a couple of them dry. These street scenes are fantastic. I think this one is one of my favorites. It's got ladies and a street scene. In London. And these last two have a lot of black in them, so let them dry thoroughly before you put them in your book. This one's called Hampton Heath, and again, it's kind of a blush pink neutral. Lots of beautiful backgrounds in here and collages. The very faint lace pattern on here would be perfect for the backs. Here's a little cute one. It's just 2 pages. It's a bee. It's called Bee Clippings, and it's got one collage and some tags. So that's going in my bee journal, which I've been collecting things for. And the last one I have here is called Lace and Letters, and it's black lace and neutrals. So let me flip through this real quick. Oops. I like this. It's got a lot of dark things. You can use this for like a gothic themed book or so that's what I've got. And again, this is Lace and Letters. And I hope that you can help Tina. Again, go check out her YouTube channel and her Etsy shop, which I have linked below. Thank you.